To schedule WhatsApp calls. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to schedule WhatsApp calls. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the calls option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can just select the schedule option. And now here, once you have done selecting the schedule option, there you can give your scheduling call a name or a title as well. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just select the time for your calling time. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just scroll down and select the type of videos or call option that you want to do. And now here, you can just toggle on this option if it requires approval to join as well, but you can skip it as well. And now here, you can also toggle on the reminder if you want to. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on send icon, and that's it. That's how you can schedule a call on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.